Hello everyone, you are welcome to Ghana Piano Lessons. On this channel, we'll be learning piano for scratch. So this channel is for you guys out there who have always been dreaming of playing the piano but has no idea how to start. That's mainly the Ghanaian piano style. So this lesson is going to be in two folds. The first lesson is going to be what is mainly called the shabo style. That's picking one key from the keyboard, focusing on that one key and mastering that key. That's what is going to be our first lesson. And the second lesson is going to be the professional style. That's using the knowledge you've obtained from that one key to try all the other keys on the keyboard. So the shabo style, we are going to do the shabo style with the help of the transpose on the keyboard. But for the second lesson, that's the professional style, we will stop using the transpose and play all the other keys. Okay guys, so this is the handout we'll be using. This is the handout I'll be using for the first lesson. That's the shabo style. And the key we are going to select is the key F. You master the key F and use that knowledge you've obtained in playing the key F to play all the other keys. So I'll post the soft copy to this handout in the link below. You can download it and learn it. So today's lesson is the introduction to the keyboard. Today's lesson is introduction to the keyboard. That's the names of the keys on the keyboard. So going into today's lesson, on the keyboard you can see this pattern repeating itself. That's the two black keys, three black keys, two black keys, three black keys, two black keys, three black keys. So in front of every two black key, the white key that comes is called the key C. In front of every two black key, the white key that comes is called the key C. And in front of every three black key, the white key that comes is called the key F. So in front of these two black keys is this key. So this is called the key C. In front of these three black keys is this key. So this is called the key F. In front of these two black keys is this key. This is called the key C. In front of these three black keys is this key. And this is called the key F. In front of these two black keys is this key. This is called key C. In front of these three black keys is this key. And this is called the key F. And so on. So on the keyboard, you can count from C, D, E, F. You see in front of these three black keys, F, G, then you end. The keys on the keyboard, the alphabet ends at G. Then you start again from A. So this will be A, B, then C. You see in front of these two black keys, C, D, E, F. In front of these three black keys, F, G. Then we come again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on. So now we know the names of all the white keys on the keyboard. Okay, so since now we know the names of all the white keys on the keyboard, that's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. So since we know the names of all the white keys on the keyboard, now we will move to the black keys. These black keys we see on the keyboard. So if a black key comes after a white key, that black key is called the sharp of that white key. I repeat, if a black key comes after a white key, that black key is called the sharp of that white key. So you can see this first black key, it comes after this white key. So this black key is called the sharp of this white key. So the name of this black key is C sharp. We know from the previous lesson that this is called C. So this black key is C sharp. We know this. This comes after this. And we know this is C, D. So this is D. So this black key is D sharp. This comes after key F. So this black key is called F sharp. You can see this. It comes after key G. So this black key can be called the G sharp. It comes after A. So A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, J sharp, A sharp, and so on. That same black key, if it comes before a white key, it's called the flat of that white key. The first one was if it comes after a white key, it's called the sharp of that white key. Now, if it comes before a white key, it's called the flat of that white key. If it comes before a white key, it's called the flat of that white key. So this same C sharp, it comes before this white key, and this white key is D. So this same C sharp can be called D flat. This key, it comes before this key, so it can be called E flat. So this one black key, it can either be C sharp or E flat. This one can be F sharp or J flat. This one can be J sharp or A flat. This one can be A sharp or B flat, C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, F sharp or J flat, J sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat. So we can call them with both the sharp and flat names. So the names they are commonly called by most people are C sharp, E flat, F sharp, J sharp, B flat. I'm not saying if you call this A sharp you are wrong. No, it's correct. But the names they are commonly called by most people is F sharp. So we have C sharp, E flat, F sharp, J sharp, B flat. I repeat, C sharp, E flat, F sharp, J sharp, B flat. So thank you for joining today's lesson. Remember to subscribe. You can download the video and